Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this look in under 15 minutes. So it's very simple. It's my everyday kind of makeup routine that I like to go to. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to finish my makeup within 10 minutes. So I started a timer. I'm going to start it now for exactly 10 minutes. And try to get my makeup done all in that time. I am going somewhere, I don't know where, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through all my routine steps. So I'm using the Copa Save Face Oil, which if you guys seen my vanity declutter, I recently rediscovered because it was like in the bottom of my vanity. So now I'm taking a point to use this during the daytime because I was using my Tarte Maracuja oil. And that one is pretty thick for daytime, so I try to use that one specifically just at night. My Clinique Broad Spectrum SPF. There's literally no sun out today, but you know, it's important to wear your SPF no matter what. And this one is very lightweight, so I just take a little bit and put it all over my face. And then I take a little bit of my Clinique ID moisturizer. It's a lot of skin prep in my everyday routine, really. And if you guys thought that was all, think again. I really need to get my hair out of my face, so I'm gonna grab a clip. Okay, now that that's all out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. And then I'm gonna take my Benefit Professional, and that is the last of my primers, I promise. Go ahead and take my Soft Ochre paint pot and apply that to my lids. For my everyday eyeshadow, I try not to do much. Just put a little bit of this to kind of cover my discoloration on my lids. And then take a little bit of shadow so they don't look so bare. Take a crease brush and any kind of brown. So I'm just taking Mousse from the Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette and applying that to my crease. And then I like to set the rest of my powder. So I'm gonna take my CC Cosmetics powder and just use that to kind of set the rest of my lid space. So I don't want to use actual shadow. The foundation I'm taking is my L'Oreal Infallible. And I just like to put that all over my face and then kind of blend it out with my fingers. I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible concealer and put a little bit underneath my eyes and my forehead. And then with my all-nighter, I'm going to go ahead and focus on setting my under eyes first with kind of a less dense, fluffy brush. This is the Japanese 721 brush, actually. I used to set it with a more dense Morphe brush before, but I like to use kind of a light amount of powder underneath my eyes. And then I'll go in with my larger brush for the rest of my face. Okay. And then I take my handy dandy hula. Just use the brush straight from here to kind of chisel out my cheekbones, my forehead, and then lastly I do my jawline. And then I take my mini hula to do my nose contour, just ever so lightly. I'm gonna take my Morphe Megastar bronzer. It looks like this. Just a little bit, and go on the perimeter of my face just to warm up the skin. And then I like to take my Morphe Blush Trio and use the shade Boss. That is literally my go-to shade for any look. And use that on the apples of my cheeks and kind of bring it back a little bit. And I take a bigger brush, kind of blend it out. And then for my nose contour, again, I like to go over with the same brush I set my foundation with. So it kind of blends. And I take a little bit more. And then if I do take a highlighter, I will go ahead and grab my Mercier. And I usually take that middle shade there. And ever so lightly put that on my cheekbones, my nose, my mouth. The last steps are usually the ones that take me the most amount of time, and it's my eyebrows and my mascara, because I try not to mess it up. But I take my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. I like it because it's pretty big, so it works pretty quickly. Ah, there's my timer. Okay, so I could do my full face in 10 minutes. But my brows, on the other hand, I set another timer for 5 minutes and see how long it takes me to finish the brows and mascara. There we go. And then for my mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Troublemaker to curl my eyelashes a bit. I do like to set my face before I put my mascara. So before that, and this is just MAC's Coconut Fix Plus Primer. And I'll go ahead and let this dry a little bit. Just put on a little bit of lipstick. So this is Kylie Decay. Minute 45 seconds to spare. So this is a little bit under 15-minute makeup, which I think is really, really good. Okay guys, so I failed the 10-minute makeup, but I came in a little bit under 15 minutes, about like 13 minutes, 14 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick everyday makeup tutorial. This is truly my everyday makeup. Sometimes I don't even put lipstick on, to be honest. So I don't do anything too crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.